Hey guys, how's it going? A half hour, a 35-minute video. I've been on YouTube for a year. Wait, no, a couple years. Couple years now. A couple of winners. I'm gonna have to look back at on my first video, see what date I posted, because it'll tell me. Genuinely, I can't fucking remember. But yeah, 145. You guys are all awesome. Awesome. I love you guys. You're the best. You know what? Yeah. All you guys who love my foraging, my cooking videos, or just seeing the videos of me just doing random crap. You know what? Yeah, fuck it. You know what? I'm not going to be strictly going just foraging. I am going to diversify. Because holy shit, I'm sure you guys like me, just love watching me do fucking crazy shit. And I have a bunch of crazy shit in mind. The long-awaited curve! Yes! There we go. We're finally getting there, baby! Woo! Yeah! Yes. It's about time. Oh, fuck, that's been just driving me ape shit. Why I couldn't get it done. Fuck. There. That's gonna take here. Here. I'm gonna make this bit smaller here. And we're gonna do the opposite side. Makes me very fucking happy. Play with fire. Fuck. Oh dear. Now. Nice. Yeah, no. Oh dear. Yeah, no. I watched I watched the videos I made yesterday. All the Americans just say was like, "Fuck, I do look like a chimp, or I do look like a blonde ass gorilla." Like, why? Yeah. Still, kind of hilarious. Oh well. Finally, a breakthrough. Got it, kind of make it look like something for a change. Holy shit. I forget how much propane is in this, but yeah. Just filled it yesterday, so there's a lot in there. There we go. go. There. Now it's starting to look like something. Yep. I gotta put in the fire again. Do the exact same thing for the other side, except it's gotta be small. There. Yep. Oh. The tip and the tang are going to be the hardest thing, because I actually started out with the middle of the blade to do that, so I can forge the tip, yep, there, and forge the tang. So I actually started in the middle of the blade, made the curve, and did all that shit, because that makes the whole other progress easy. It doesn't mean shit. Oh. So it doesn't mean, I'm going to stop, but today I have to, right now I have to, for a minute, just to get the phone charger because my phone's dying. So I hope you guys enjoy your day. Hey, if you like this, if you like these videos, can you like, share, comment, and subscribe? I hope you guys enjoy your day. Peace.